guys, welcome back to Pole Sphere. I'm Philly and today I'm going to be taking you through the Devil's Point Shuffle. I don't know why I said shuffle like that. The Devil's Point Shuffle. I think this is super fun. Can be a little bit challenging, so I'm going to take you through a few tips and tricks to nail this guy. But I think it looks really dynamic, so it's a favorite of mine to blend into other dynamic combos. The prerequisites for this will be listed below, but they are your straddle invert, your outside leg hook, and a genie on both sides, guys. Both sides, spoiler alert. And it looks like this. So the first move in this one is an invert to an outside leg hook. The aim of the game, guys, is to keep your hands in the same spot at all times. That's what makes it really cool and seamless. So we invert, we take an outside leg hook, and without moving your bottom hand, we're gonna lift this leg down and hook to a genie. Now to get your leg there, needs a little bit, I'm gonna come down. It needs a little bit of pancake flexibility. So folding forwards like this can help. However, there's a few mechanic tricks that we can do to make this move a little bit simpler. When I invert, I'm hugging the pole with my inside arm. As I move my leg, instead of shifting the hand down like this or even down like this to push my body away, I'm gonna try and use just my forearm, which means rotating my bottom thumb towards me and pushing. Okay, that gives me the push, it gives me a little bit of space. And in conjunction, I'm very excited about this, is I rotate and then I'm gonna bend my top arm to lift my head. So my bottom leg works in opposition to my chest. So I lift up and down, up and down. So here's your drill. We push and down, crunch and down, up and down, ring, ring, ring. And that is what I call, oh, it's very tiring. That's what I call the boomerang, yeah? Being able to use your body cleverly to get that leg around in front and behind. There are lots of other transitions where the second part, getting around to the back of the pole, is very useful as well. So once we're in our genie, here, rotate and push and lift, I can unhook my top leg. Unhook and leave it in the air.